In Actoren, just like in Excel, you can filter by placing a filter on each column and selecting the value you want by ticking the box. You can choose one or more columns, even in other tables. Each additional column filter strengthens the previous filter. Actoren does this much more conveniently than Excel, because it doesn't limit the filtering to just one table, but applies it to all elements within your worksheet. On all tables, maps, charts, histograms, and pivot tables. This offers numerous advantages. Firstly, you save time since you don't have to manually filter multiple tables. Secondly, you avoid errors that can occur when you manually try to combine or synchronize data from different tables. Most importantly, you can focus on analyzing and interpreting the data, instead of struggling with complicated formulas and connections between tables. By concentrating on your actual work, you can make better and faster decisions and gain valuable insights from the available data. Actoren makes it easier to perform your work more efficiently and effectively. Of course, just like in Excel, you can adjust filters. And you can also remove filters within a table itself with the blue filter button. You can also remove a filter at the top of the filter bar. In Actoren, you can filter by selecting, searching, or using a column filter, or a combination thereof. But there are even more options to help you easily and quickly select. With Actoren, you can time travel, see the situation as it was in the past. You do this with the reference date that we will explain in the next video.